Hello guys, this is a quick tip video on a W123 chassis Mercedes station wagon. Access to top of the rear hydraulic strut if you have to replace those. So there's a screw here on this piece, and there's another screw here, and on the other side. Once that's removed, it reveals this section that it's directly behind the rear seat, and here's the shock top bolt, and this lid here has to be removed in order to access the hydraulic line right here. So as the shock, so I undid this hydraulic line here and dropped the shock down, and I managed to undo the top part, which actually can be also undone from here. Either way, this is the access. This is the access to the top of the rear shocks. Thanks for watching. Bye now.